Do you feel like your metabolism is stuck in first gear? Many people fall into the trap of restrictive diets and extreme workouts. You might have tried everything from intense cardio to complex meal plans, yet the results you are looking for remain just out of reach. But what if the secret to a healthy metabolism isn't about what you cut out, but rather about what you add to your plate? It is time to shift your focus toward delicious, hydrating foods that you likely already have sitting in your kitchen right now. Your metabolism is simply the process your body uses to convert food into energy, and keeping it running smoothly requires proper hydration. Most people overlook the fact that being properly hydrated is essential for nearly every single function your body performs throughout the day. While drinking water is vital, you can also get a significant portion of your daily fluids directly from the foods you eat. In this video, we are sharing 7 simple, powerful foods packed with water, nutrients, and fiber to help you feel your best. Let us start with the first powerhouse, the cool, crisp, and incredibly versatile cucumber, which is a true hydration hero. Did you know that cucumbers are technically a fruit? They are made up of about 96% water, making them exceptionally hydrating. When your body is well hydrated, all of its internal processes, from thinking clearly to moving efficiently, simply work much better. Beyond hydration, cucumbers are incredibly low in calories, with a full cup of sliced cucumber containing only about 16 calories. This combination of high water content and low calories is a winning formula for feeling full without overeating or mindless snacking. They also offer important nutrients like vitamin K, which plays a key role in bone health and helps your body absorb nutrients. You can easily add more cucumbers to your life by slicing them raw for a snack or adding them to your daily salads. Next on our list is that classic summer favorite, watermelon, which is another hydration superstar clocking in at over 90% water. Watermelon is fantastic for meeting your fluid needs and keeping your metabolic processes running smoothly throughout the heat of the day. What makes watermelon a great choice is its unique ability to make you feel full and satisfied after just a few bites. A study showed that people who ate 2 cups of watermelon daily felt more satisfied and saw reductions in their body weight. With only 46 calories per cup, the water and fiber content help curb those pesky cravings for sugary, high-calorie snacks. Watermelon also contains an amino acid called arginine, which some research suggests may play a role in how the body processes energy. Plus, it is packed with vitamins A and C and the powerful antioxidant lycopene, which are all great for your overall health. Enjoying more watermelon is easy. Slice it up fresh, blend it into a smoothie, or even make your own healthy fruit popsicles. Coming in at number 3 is Greek yogurt, which brings a completely different kind of advantage to your metabolic health table. While fruits are excellent for hydration, Greek yogurt's true power lies in its high protein content, which is a game changer. Your body actually uses more energy to digest protein compared to fats and carbohydrates, a process known as the thermic effect of food. This process gives your metabolism a slight, temporary bump after you eat, helping you burn more energy just by digesting your meal. A single serving of Greek yogurt can pack a serious protein punch, often providing double what you would find in regular yogurt. This does not just nudge your metabolism, it is also incredibly effective at keeping you full, which reduces your overall calorie intake. Some research even suggests that high-protein dairy can support muscle mass maintenance, which is crucial during any weight loss journey. Just be sure to choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, as the flavored varieties can often be loaded with unnecessary added sugars. It is a low glycemic food, meaning it will not cause a sharp spike in your blood sugar levels after you finish eating. Plus, the probiotics found in yogurt are great for your gut health, which is a key player in your overall metabolic picture. For a balanced breakfast, try topping a bowl of plain Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a small sprinkle of crunchy nuts. You can also use it as a creamy, protein-packed base for your morning smoothies or as a healthy substitute for sour cream. Our fourth food is the vibrant and juicy tomato, which is another excellent source of hydration for an efficient metabolism. Tomatoes are super low in calories, so you can add them to your meals for bulk and flavor without adding extra energy. They also contain fiber, which is important for digestion and appetite control, helping you feel full and satisfied for much longer. Fiber also keeps your blood sugar levels stable, preventing those annoying energy crashes that often make you crave unhealthy junk food. One of the coolest things about tomatoes is lycopene, the antioxidant that gives them their beautiful and vibrant red color. Here is a pro tip. Cooking tomatoes actually helps your body absorb the lycopene more easily than eating them raw. Enjoy them fresh in a classic caprese salad or sliced on a sandwich for a meal that delivers hydration and fiber. Next up is the food famous for its satisfying crunch, celery, which is a long-standing staple in many healthy diets. Celery is another hydration superstar, with a water content of about 95%, keeping your metabolic health on the right track. Its most famous feature is its ridiculously low calorie count, as a large stalk has fewer than 10 calories per serving. This means you can eat a lot of it, which fills your stomach and signals to your brain that you are full. It is a smart way to manage your appetite without feeling deprived, providing volume and crunch for a negligible caloric cost. Try the classic ants on a log snack celery sticks with peanut butter and raisins for a balance of fiber and healthy fats. At number 6, we have a fan favorite, the sweet, vibrant strawberry, which is an excellent choice for supporting your metabolism. Strawberries are about 91% water, making them a tasty and refreshing way to stay hydrated throughout your busy day. They are low in calories and sugar compared to many other fruits, and they provide a good dose of dietary fiber. This fiber helps slow down digestion, makes you feel full, and regulates blood sugar to avoid those dreaded afternoon slumps. Berries are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which is vital for metabolic processes. Add a handful of sliced strawberries to your Greek yogurt or oatmeal for a powerhouse breakfast that keeps you energized. For our final spot, we have a whole category of meals: broth-based soups, such as minestrone, gazpacho, or vegetable soup. These are a fantastic tool for hydration and appetite control, as they are incredibly filling for very few total calories. Studies have shown that starting a meal with a low-calorie broth-based soup can reduce the total calories you eat later. You can load them up with fibrous veggies, beans, lentils, and lean proteins like chicken to create a truly satisfying meal. By focusing on adding these nutrient-dense, high-volume foods, you create a healthy lifestyle that you can actually enjoy and stick with. Small, consistent changes to your daily diet are what really make a difference over time. So start incorporating these foods today. Continuing our journey toward a more energized lifestyle, we now turn to 4 additional staples that round out our list of metabolic powerhouses. First, consider the vibrant tomato, a staple that brings so much more to your kitchen than just its bright, appetizing red color. Tomatoes are packed with essential lycopene and fiber, providing a nutrient-dense foundation that supports your body's overall cellular health and daily function. The high water content in tomatoes is a major win for hydration, which we know is a key factor for an efficient metabolism. Because they are so low in calories, you can add them to your meals for bulk and flavor without worrying about excess energy. Fiber is the secret weapon here, helping to regulate your digestion and keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the busy day. A pro tip for your kitchen: cooking tomatoes actually helps your body absorb that powerful antioxidant lycopene much more effectively than eating them raw. Try a simple homemade tomato sauce over whole wheat pasta or a warm bowl of tomato soup to get the most out of this versatile fruit. Next on our list is the food famous for its satisfying crunch, celery, which is a true hydration superstar in any healthy diet. Celery is composed of about 95% water, making it a simple but incredibly powerful way to support your body's metabolic health. Its most famous feature is the ridiculously low calorie count, with a large stalk containing fewer than 10 calories for you to enjoy. This means you can eat a generous amount, which helps fill your stomach and sends signals to your brain that you are satisfied. It is a smart way to manage your appetite without feeling deprived, providing that necessary volume for your weight management goals. While the myth about burning more calories chewing it isn't quite true, the spirit of the idea is definitely on the right track. To make celery less boring, try the classic ants on a log snack with peanut butter and raisins for a perfect balance of nutrients. You can also dip celery sticks in hummus or a Greek yogurt dip, or use chopped celery as a savory base for your favorite soups. Moving on to our 6th food, we have a fan favorite that is as delicious as it is healthy: the sweet, vibrant strawberry. Strawberries are not just a treat, they are an excellent choice for supporting your metabolism because they are about 91% water. They are naturally low in calories and sugar compared to many other fruits, making them a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth. A cup of sliced strawberries also provides a good dose of fiber, which helps slow down digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. This steady energy release helps you avoid those dreaded afternoon slumps and the intense sugar cravings that often follow them. Berries are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which is vital for metabolic processes. Enjoying them is simple. They are perfect on their own as a naturally sweet snack or tossed into a bowl of morning oatmeal. For a powerhouse breakfast, add a handful of sliced strawberries to your Greek yogurt to keep your energy levels steady for hours. Finally, we look at broth-based soups, which serve as the ultimate tool for hydration and satiety in your daily meal planning. Think of options like minestrone, gazpacho, or a simple vegetable soup, which are all fantastic for both hydration and appetite control. The main benefit of these soups is their high water content, which makes them incredibly filling for very few total calories. Studies have shown that starting a meal with a low-calorie, broth-based soup can reduce the total number of calories you eat later. It works by filling up your stomach and curbing your appetite before you even get to the main course of your meal. Soups are also an amazing way to pack in a ton of nutrients, from fibrous veggies to beans, lentils, and lean proteins. This combination of fiber and protein is a 1-2 punch for satiety, providing the metabolic support your body needs to function well. Making a healthy soup is easy. Just start with a low-sodium broth and add a variety of non-starchy vegetables like carrots or spinach. Toss in some lentils or chickpeas for plant-based protein, and let it all simmer to create a nourishing and super satisfying meal. It is important to remember that these foods are not magic pills. They are foundational elements of a balanced, sustainable approach to health. There is no single magic hack for your metabolism, but the real benefit comes from adding these nutrient-dense, high-volume foods to your plate. By focusing on what you can add rather than what you must cut out, you create a lifestyle you can actually enjoy. This approach helps you maintain a healthy relationship with food while still providing your body with the fuel it truly needs. The key takeaway is to prioritize these hydrating and nutrient-packed foods to keep your natural energy processes running as smoothly as possible. By pairing these simple, accessible choices with regular physical activity and consistent daily habits, you can support your health every day. Small, consistent changes are what really make a difference over time. So, start by incorporating just 1 or 2 of these today. Remember that your metabolism is simply the process your body uses to convert food into energy, and you are fueling that engine. Choosing whole, hydrating foods ensures that your body has the resources it needs to perform at its absolute best every single day. If you are feeling stuck in first gear, try adding these items to your grocery list and see how your energy levels shift. It is not about perfection. It is about making better choices that support your long-term wellness and your body's natural rhythm. We hope this list gives you a clear path forward to feeling more energized, satisfied, and in control of your daily nutrition. Keep experimenting with these ingredients in your kitchen and find the combinations that you enjoy eating the most throughout the week. Your body will thank you for the extra hydration and the high-quality nutrients you are providing with every single delicious bite. Consistency is the secret ingredient to any successful health journey. So keep showing up for yourself and making these positive choices. We have covered a lot of ground today, from the crunch of celery to the protein-rich benefits of creamy Greek yogurt. Every one of these 7 foods plays a unique role in helping you manage your appetite and feel more energized and focused. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical health tips. We are dedicated to bringing you science-backed information that is easy to understand and even easier to apply to your life. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest videos about nutrition and wellness. We love hearing from our community, so leave a comment below and tell us which of these 7 foods is your favorite. Are you going to try adding more cucumber to your salads, or perhaps start your lunch with a warm vegetable soup? Let us know your plans for incorporating these metabolic boosters into your routine and how they make you feel this week. Your feedback helps us create better content that serves your needs. So keep those questions and comments coming our way daily. Thank you so much for watching this video and for taking the time to invest in your own health and vitality. We are excited to continue this journey with you, providing the tools you need to live a balanced and energized life. Thanks again for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one as we explore more ways to thrive.